Hey guys, my name is Leah Limon from Youth to Leaders Education Foundation, and I am here with
Valeria Matoso, and I'm a senior at Golden Valley High School.
I'm here with
Ali Morales, and I'm a senior from Golden Valley.
Alfonso Guerrero from Golden Valley.
What's one thing you're going to miss in high school?
I'm gonna miss my friends and cheer.
Well, one thing I'm gonna miss in high school is my friends and just like walking around with people that I just seen since freshman year.
Right.
My friends.
What influenced your decision to pursue higher education?
I really want to pursue a career in engineering, and in order to do that, I would have to go to college soon.
One thing that made me like want to go to college is that when my parents didn't go to college, so I would want them to see me walk the stage and also pursue my dreams.
Yes.
To be the first one in college.
What factors are important to you when considering colleges or post-high school plans?
I really wanted to pick a college where it's close from home and I'm around all my friends and family.
I want to stay here for college because I have my family close and it's also cheaper.
The experience and my future.
Perfect. Y2L and
Bulldogs out!